So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that you're having a problem with. So for me, it's with my C drive. So I'm going to be taking a note of this letter right here, C. You want to find the drive you're having a problem with and then take a note of the letter of the drive. So it might be C, D, E, something like that. Take a note of the letter. So for me, it's my C drive. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in Chkdsk space. And now that drive letter that you took a note of, so for me it's going to be C. Then you're going to put a colon at the end of it. Now you're going to put space /F and click on enter. Wait for this to load. Now once this loads up, you're going to type in Y and click on enter again. And now for the next step, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. Now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. Do not press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It will then run this check-in. Now once it's being completed, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.